Oscar with OQ Detailing. Check this out. Today we got an amazing project. We got this Ferrari Daytona. This is a very special car. It's very, very special car. So today we're gonna work on this so that we can bring it to its pristine condition as the pristine car that it is. This amazing classic car. So follow us through some of the processes. So one of the things that we're gonna do is to try to clean as much as possible inside the barrel. It's really hard because it's almost impossible to get in there, but as you can see, brake dust has built up in there, so we're gonna go ahead and try to clean that off. Okay, so to wash it, we're gonna first rinse it off. We're gonna use a 2-bucket wash method to be safe as possible, and use this specific sponge that you can buy at esoteric.com. Esoteric deals with thousands of high-end, super expensive cars, and this is the only sponge they trust, and I do as well. It's super soft, super careful for cars that you really want to make sure that you don't introduce any marring. So